What is dream anta? Dream is not what you see in your sleep. Dream which doesn't let you sleep. Once you set the goal, once you set the dream, you have to reach. Time being, till completion of our goal, we have to close our emotional bank account. You have to emotionally attach to your goal. You have to emotionally attach to your books. The more important thing, you have to drop all unwanted desires. But you have to believe yourself. You have to compete with yourself. Don't compete with others. They are there with you as a competitors to strengthen your strength. If you think that, yes, I can do this, yes, you are right, you can do this. If you think that I cannot do it, yes, you are right, you cannot do it. The most important thing which I believe in my life, no one can become architect to our life. We cannot go to anyone to design our life. We have to design our life. No one can else. You are the real architect to your life. You are the well designer to your life. You have to design well. If you design your life very beautifully, then there will be a more demand in your life, in future life. You have to design your life very beautifully and very systematically and very effectively. Then only there is a demand in your future. Manual for life. Though God has created life for us, God has not created manual for our life. Though God has created your life, He has not created manual for your life. He has given the opportunity to you only to create the user manual for your life. That is most important thing. That manual you have to create. God has not given opportunity to select few things in our life. At the same time, God has given opportunity to select few things in our life. God has not given to select your own parents. God has not given opportunity to select your own brothers and sisters. He has not given opportunity to select your color of the skin. All these opportunities He has kept with Him only. But very interestingly, you have to think. He has given plenty of opportunity to select in your life. First thing, what you want to become in your life. Whether I have to become good, whether I have to become bad, whether I have to become worth, whether I have to become unworth, whether I have to become good son or bad son to my parents, whether I have to become good daughter or bad daughter to my parents, that opportunity God has given to you only. The key is with you only. You have to open the door. Unless you open the door, then key is with you only till end of your life. Once you set your goal to becoming IAS officer, you should not leave it. You should not run away. To welcome the difficulties, you have to welcome the problems. Then only know your strength. Otherwise, you cannot know your strength. So most importantly, human life is very precious. Very precious. It is gifted by God. But though it is gifted by God, you have to make your life beautifully. Then only there is a meaning for life. Otherwise, your life will be meaningless and miserable.